whakawitswiti kare tika. He mea whakaparaha I te ira. Tānata kare whai, kare tika. Ko o mahina mai whakaiti a te rewera. Believe in yourself, be the best that you can. Always be honest and listen to your mom and dad. If you believe in you can do it. 'Cause the only person stopping you is yourself. Is yourself. You can never achieve if you don't believe. So keep your head up as high as can be. Believing is achieving, you should never be deceiving. If you're ever trying to leave, just always believe.